Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which I'm going to explain how to make a portfolio. Now, in order to make a portfolio for you, you need to get some projects that you have already done. Now, the first step is making a thumbnail for your project. So you need to go to Canva, hit create a design, and start creating your first design. Or you can use templates like YouTube thumbnail template. You can simply write YouTube thumb, and you can click here to get the YouTube thumbnails. Now I prefer the 2/3, 1/3 design, which is basically adding an image in 2/3 and a text in 1/3. Now if we scroll down, you can see what I mean here. As you can see here, we have an image and here we have the text, or you can do it vice versa. Same thing here. So let's go with any of these designs. Let me select one of these. Okay, maybe we can go with the one that we started with right here. Now, the name of the project is automatic height and weight measuring machine. Now it needs some spelling correction. So we'll go back here. Now start changing the text. We will add our own text. We will reduce the size. Let's make it 80 and see. Okay, maybe a little bit more. Here it is. Now let's remove the 500 and remove this black box. Grab this up here. Now scroll. Now let's increase the size so that it can fill the area. Here it is, automatic height and weight measuring machine. Now change this image with a relevant image. Now go to the photos here and select, let's say, big microcontroller. Now as you can see, we have a lot of ICs and similar things. You can select any of these, but this seems like a good image and we can place it right here. Now we might need to rotate it to fit with the overall shape of the design. Here it is. Now we have a thumbnail image for our portfolio project called automatic height and weight measuring machine. And we can use this image by simply clicking here, download, and download the PNG image. Now this is canva.com website and you can use it for free. Now we need some, let's say, description for our project. Now for this I will use your Word Hero. Now Word Hero is an AI writer. You can contact me using my mobile number or email in the description to get your own license. It's a paid subscription. Now you can go ahead and write product. We are going to write text like if we are writing it for a product. So if you wrote product, you can see product description. Click once, write the same name, automatic height and weight measuring machine. We need to correct this. And click write for me. Now to write a description using AI writer, and you will get the description here. Now from the name, it's an automatic machine that measures height and weight, and as you can see, we have more than one explanation. You can see which one is the most convenient. Click once, it will be copied and paste it in the Upwork project. Now the next step is getting let's say bullet points description for our product. So you can ignore this. Now as you can see, we have more than one. We have the product benefit statement, and in here you can write something like saves time for the project. Click write for me and it will write a line in which it features the product as if it is saving you time, as you can see. Now we have other things as well, like name, explain it like a professor, which will explain the thing for you. And you can click here to see the features and advantages of that specific product. If you click write for me, it will write few things that you can use in the product description. As you can see, feature, benefits, and advantages. As you can see, this product allows users to quickly and easily measure their own or another person's height and weight with just press of a button. And this is a good statement. That's it. Once you get, let's say, a 1 A4 page description for this project, you can paste it in your portfolio along with the thumbnail image. Now, if you need more images for the same project, you can go ahead and copy the name of the project and use Google to get more images regarding the same project. Let's click on the images, and you can copy any image that you find. Now, sometimes you might do a project but don't have any images for, so that's why you can use Google to get images. Okay, let me refresh the page. Okay, not this one. That's it for this lesson. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team.